I left the door open.
For me?
Yeah, you want to do an interview?
With the feds.
How about some player stats? What's your score?
Zeros across the board.
Yo, what's up, dude?
Ask this guy here.
Yo, you want to do an interview? We hear you're the best player.
Okay, yes.
What are your current stats for this season?
All of them.
Retained every stat.
I have every stat. Every single stat is mine.
Good.
Yeah.
That's
You're
incredible.
welcome for having known me.
Please don't let my bag blow away, sir. Thank you.
What's up?
Last night with the gray shorts today.
Yeah.
The gray sweatpants.
Dude, I got such a cod piece on too, right? Look at this piece.
Let me see it. Nice. You're gonna be so safe.
Oh, what's good? Is that still happening? Better not be. Am I mic'd up?
Yeah.
Oh God. All right. Here's my team. You.
Mine.
Yeah?
Yeah.
The 90s like sports movie had like dude from Honey I Shrunk the Kids in it. A bunch of peewees trying to put together a football team going up against like the Lancers of the area.
What is this called?
Little Giants.
Little Giants. I do remember somewhat of what you're speaking.
At one point they get a box of used sporting equipment and the kid picks up a raw cup and just walks around with it like this. And he's like, son, I'm not sure, but I don't think that goes there.
They have to volley up this time and stay back.
You want me to drop off?
No, I will. Oh, I forgot you got the knee though, huh?
Yeah.
You rather stay back too?
Defense.
My ankle's slightly sprained. He's doing good back there. I can't get around as quick as he is. That might be the good dynamic.
Staying back. Yeah, I'm just trying to be a wall, dude.
Never break, always fight, never quit, do it right, play the game, win it life, have no shame, there's no time, feel the pain, live the grind, I could change, my mind, pick a lane, commit and climb, the only way to win it life, I never miss, that's fact, taking big swings, put your hand to the mat, put me in the ring, you'll go out in a bag, cause I sing what I mean and I bring it to the mad light. Ain't got time to kill, I got time to feel. I took the red pill, I know life's short so I wanna live real. But how's it supposed to feel? How's it supposed to feel? How's it supposed to feel?
Just took a ball right to the right to the bad leg, my guy.
Shut.
It is shut.
No, that's.
Yeah. You got it.
When a Kerry Jenkins said somebody who was leaving, he'd be the one to die and blame us.
Yeah, I took a ball right to, look at it.
Where? Oh yeah.
Perfect. Oh, yeah.
Free shirt giveaway.
So he gave him
They're
31
sitting there, they're
shirts.
counting. He eventually got up like 62 shirts.
Huh.
His arms are like starting to turn red from just like no circulation.
Constriction.
I got branded last night too. I was taking my off.
Yo, how do you feel about that match? What was your final opinion?
Of what? The last game?
Yeah.
It was fun. I don't get, you know, like I said, some people were tryhards, some people were just here to exercise, you know.
What are you?
You'd made that first chip play you had, the very first play of the game. Dude was coming in hot and you just chipped it right over a stick to your teammate like 5 feet away.
Thank you.
It doesn't have to be a hard or fast shot or pass.
Yeah, dude, it's just
have
skill
that laser.
control or stick control.
Yeah.
Carl ducking and nailing.
bounce off the board.
Under. Bill. Walk up.
Push line.
If that doesn't ignite the team. It bounces on me. I'm gonna cry.
Yeah, but you made a nice last chance desperation play there. How many more does everyone got?
One more.
I got one more. Man, that was a quick one. Yeah.
I'm done, dude.
Nope.
Too much. 2 hours is enough for me.
That's fair. Good games.
Hey, easy, Trey. Have a good one.
Hey, brother.
You too, man.
Careful.
Hey, thank you for coming.
Later on. Thank you for coming. Thanks for the games, boys.
Yeah. Love you, man.
Oh,
Play man hug. Fuck it.
you're fucking wet, dog.
I'm drenched.
Yes, sir.